Hello, welcome to the Chinese Grammar Learning Series. I'm Ying. Today's topic is gěi. Gěi is a common word that can be used as a verb or a preposition. We're going to talk about how to use gěi in sentences. Also, I will show you some common mistakes that people tend to make so you can avoid making them. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first function of gěi is used as a verb, meaning to give. For example, 他昨天给我一件礼物. He gave me a gift yesterday. 我不想给他我的电话号码. I don't want to give him my phone number. When gěi is used as a preposition, it means for or to. For example, 他没给我打电话. She didn't call me. 妈妈给我买了生日蛋糕. Mom bought me a birthday cake. Another grammatical function of gěi is used as a particle for passive voice. It's very similar to 让 or 被. For example, 我给他骗了. I was cheated by him. 小张给老板炒了. 小张 was fired by the boss. Now let's take a look at some common mistakes. The first mistake is using gěi to express negative sense. The negator shouldn't go before the verb as it does in English. It's wrong to say 我给他没买到这本书. It should be 我没给他买到这本书. I didn't buy this book for her. The second common mistake is use gěi as a verb to give. The word order tends to be wrong. One example is 请一瓶水给我. It should be 请给我一瓶水. Please give me a bottle of water. Another similar mistake is 你可以给书我吗? It should be 你可以把书给我吗? Can you give me the book? 把 in this sentence is another important grammatical word, and I will make a separate video for it, so watch this space. As we learned, gěi can be used for passive voice. Some learners like to use it with 被, which is another particle for passive voice. It's wrong to say 他的车被给人撞了. It should be 他的车给人撞了 or 他的车被人撞了. His car was hit by someone. That's all about gěi. If you enjoyed watching this, please subscribe to our channel. It would be great to hear your feedback and comments to help me improve and make more interesting videos. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.